The Cube septic tank and soakaway kit is ideal for mobile homes, for stables, for glamping pods, for caravans, for shepherd huts, for workshops and much more. So what's included in the Cube septic tank and soakaway kit? Well, in this kit you get everything. You get the Cube septic tank, you get all the pipework, and you get an inspection chamber. You also get a complete soakaway. You get the drainage field crates and you get free membrane. The Cube septic tank and soakaway kit is really easy to install. First, put the pipe into the trench, then put the Cube septic tank into the hole. Just slot the pipe into it. Once you've done that, just insert the inspection chamber and put the pipes into the Cube septic tank, and then insert the drainage field crates into the hole. Really simple, takes about 5 minutes to do, and once you've done that, cover the crates over with membrane. Job done. That's it. That's how easy it is to install the Cube septic tank and soakaway kit. The Cube septic tank and soakaway kit will save you thousands of pounds, and it's easy to install.